まあ、ゆきち。
I want Yukichi in my life. But what I can do is just cooking like Yukichi.
Let's make garlic oil, great for cooking steak and as a garnish. Start with high heat first, and when the oil is bubbling, lower the heat to medium low. The cooking time can vary, cooking until it reaches this color. For me, it took 10 minutes. Get that pan hot for steak. Mine's thin, about 1 cm thick, so it only needed around 1.5 minutes on each side for medium. Sauce time. Keep it simple with sake, soy sauce, and sugar. Let it simmer until the alcoholic edge fades away. Now for the side, cold tofu with bonito flakes, ginger, green onions, and a drizzle of ponzu sauce. My steak is cold enough to cut. As you can see, juices are locked in. Time to place everything up. I feel like Yukichi's menu choice is really considerate, balancing the richness of steak with the refreshing cold tofu. It's so hearty and delicious.